Welcome students in our trigonometric chapters. Students, I hope you written our formula list daily, morning and evening. So before start this part, I request to you, all of you students, you try first of all write down your formula list, our 1 to 5 groups, and then after start this numericals. So today students, I going to our chapter 3, exercise 3, question number 8 related our remaining questions. Students, today our numerical is very big and large and utilize our basic formula. So in the first one, 8th one, if 10x minus 4 by 3, in the second quadrant x given, find the sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. It is a 3 either 4 marks question, students. First of all, in second quadrant, you are here all as TC. Yes, you are here, second quadrant. And in second quadrant, sin x is positive, cos x is positive, known. Yes, I known here 10x. I want the value, utilize this. Necessary, our fifth group, sin square x by 2. Students, this property I utilize in this sum. 1 minus cos x by 2. That's why I cos x preparing by this. So we know that what you know, 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x, and here same. So 1 plus 16 by 9 sec square x. So it is 9 plus 16, 25 and 9 plus 16. So what is the sec x? Here wait, you are second quadrant in, so sec x function is negative, far by 3, because x belong in second quadrant. Students, quadrant is necessary, that's why I written here minus. So what is the cos x? Which is 1 by sec x, 1 by minus 3 by 5. And why sec x derived? I want to this 3, in this between I want the cos x. So now I start the fifth property, sin square x by 2, which is 1 minus cos x by 2, and this cos x, students, minus 3 by 5. Putting happily, so 1 plus 3 by 5 by 2, and that's value is your answer. 5 plus 3, 8 by 5, which is 4 by 5. But here students, wait, and that is the new parts today I explain you. Check, in which quadrant? Second. So 92 pi, you are here, 92 pi in second quadrant, but I want x by 2. So pi by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, each term dividing by 2. So pi by 4, x by 2, pi by 2. Students, you are here. 45 to 90 means here 45 approximately. Here pi by 2 means your value is here. In all as TC, you are in first quadrant in the x by 2 angle. X angle is second quadrant, but x by 2 means here I get in only 2 by root 5 in positive here. Students, whenever you taking square root, you must be answer positive and negative, but I am in first quadrant, therefore here positive write down and mention there, because x by 2 belong in first quadrant, that's why I finished here sin x by 2. Now I moving ahead, next one, cos x by 2. So also check your formula list, fifth group, cos square x by 2, 1 plus cos x by 2, already I written, and cos x is what? Minus 5 by 3, sorry, minus 3 by 5 by 2. So 5 minus 3 by 10, 5 minus 3, and 5 is a 10. Here 2 by 10. So what you get, cos x by 2? Yes, 1 by 5, and cos x by 2 Here also in first quadrant. So I write down positive 1 by root 5, and again I show here because x by 2 belong in first quadrant. These are necessary, students, you write quadrant wise. Now finally I go to sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. I get it last tan x by 2. Therefore tan x by 2 is a sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Students, happily putting both value 1 by 1. This is sin x by 2. 2 by root 5. Cos x by 2. 1 by root 5. Cutting. My answer is only 2. And here happily question number 8 is done here. Now ninth also very simple. Question is there. If cos x minus 1/3 and x in second quadrant, then also find out, students. Your target is sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. This is very easy and simple sum. Very simple. Check. Second quadrant means you are here again. One more time check my question. Sorry, x in third quadrant. Cos x is minus 1/3. Here third given, students. So third quadrant is you are here. And third quadrant all as TC wise tan x positive, cot x positive, but other all are negative. And degree wise here 0, 90, pi, 3 pi by 2. You are here in pi to 3 pi by 2. Here also same utilize cos x, already given in third quadrant negative. So I direct start off with topic. We know that. What you know? Yes. Sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x by 2. Property same utilize previous sum. Fifth group, students. Fifth group. So value is a cos minus 1/3 by 2. So 1 plus 1/3 by 2. So my value is a sin square x by 2. Here 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 means your value is 2/3. Finally, you getting here 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 6 means 2 by 3. Now here also, students, I check our condition level. Must be checking because condition wise I declare my answers. So one more time I write down sin square x by 2. You getting just 2 by 3. Students, here it is x angle, but now I go to where is x our? X our pi 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, sorry, but I want to x by 2. So by 2 here dividing by 2, and here also dividing by 2. My answer is 3 pi by 4. And where it is belonging 3 pi by 4? 45, 45 and 45. You are here. 3 pi by 4. And pi by 2 is here. Your exact degree in this quadrant. And that is your all as TC. Second quadrant sin x by 2. It is a only x third quadrant. So I just telling here second quadrant sin x by 2 is what? Positive root 2 by root 3. You can't write down plus or minus, only positive, because x by 2 belong in second quadrant. Here, students, our first part is done. Now I am moving ahead. Next one more, cos x by 2. So after that I am moving ahead. Property number 5th again, cos square x by 2. 1 plus cos x by 2. Now what is the cos x? Yes, students, cos x is given in question minus 1 by 3. by 2. So 3 minus 1 by 3 by 2. It is 2 by 3 by 2, 1 by 3. So cos square x by 2, 1 by 3. Here also students, x by 2 condition same, second quadrant. So I just showing it is negative. Why negative? Because x by 2 belong in the second quadrant, and last tan x by 2, which is sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. I known the value root 2 by root 3 and minus 1 by root 3 is that minus 2, and that's the over sum here students. Question number 9. Now 10th one is very most IMP numericals. Sin x 1 by 4 and x in the second quadrant. Then find out students, same as sin x by 2, cos x by 2, tan x by 2. One more time repeat. Our sin x is given 1 by 4 and x in lies our second quadrant. Students, this numerical is really most IMP. Second quadrant means you are here again. I showing out pi by 2 to pi, this degree. And here sin x is positive, cosec x is positive, but other all are negative according to all STC. Yes students, I start slowly. This one, this is a huge and big numericals solution. So we know that, what do you know? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This sin x students, 1 by 4 I apply here, and cos square x is same as, so 1 by 16 plus cos square x, you get only 1 minus 1 by 16, 15 by 16. So what is cos x? Root 15 by 4. But wait, you are in the second quadrant, so my answer is negative. This is a main point, because x lies in second quadrant. Yes students, here your this answer of cos x defined. Now I start systematic our fifth group, sin square x by 2, which is 1 minus cos x by 2. Putting down their values, 1 plus root 15 by 4. So 4 plus root 15 by 8. It is sin square x by 2. Now, whenever you are taking square root, your answer is either positive, either negative. So I getting the condition. Students, you are here 92 pi. This one, x value. I want x by 2. Dividing by 2 each. So pi by 4 to pi by 2 means students you are here. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 means this your pi by 4 and here you pi by 2. Check, your quadrant is first. That's why here I answer write down positive. 4 plus root 15 by 8. And students, this is not your answer. I further explain till finally remove the root. That's the main parts of this chapter. So sin x by 2. Can we write 2 multiply here and here by 8 into 2? I just multiply 2 multiply and dividing. So sin x by 2, which is 8, 2 root 15 by 16. Now 15 multiple, I want the 8. Possible? Yes, 5 3s are. Here also 5 3s are. It get perfect square. Root 5 plus root 3 by 4, the whole square. Yes, and root is as it is. So root n square root gone, root 5 plus root 3 by 4. That is my student sine x by 2. And here you are happily. First case is done. Now again start. Continue to cos square x by 2, which is you known 1 plus cos x by 2. Same property. What is cos x? Minus root 15 by 4 by 2. So 4 minus root 15 by 8. Here again condition already I checked them. First quadrant. So direct write down cos x by 2, which is positive 4 minus root 15 by 8. And here also students multiply 2 and dividing 2. And they get the perfect square values. Again create. So your value cos x by 2. Here also 2 multiply. Then 8. 2 root 15 and here 16. 15 splitting. But I want the 8. 5 plus 3. Here also 5 into 3. So it is a perfect square. Root 5 minus root 3 by 4. Root same. So root 5 minus root 3 by 4. That's my answer cos x by 2. Students, here your second answer done. And now third answer. What is the third? Tan x by 2, which is sin x by 2 below cos x by 2. Only putting down value. Root 5 minus root 3 by 4. Sorry, this is sine. Here plus. And that is root 5 minus root 3 by 4. And 4 happily cancel. You value here. Now students, I further calculate conjugate. Root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3. Here a plus b whole square. So can we write here whole square value upon here 5 minus 3. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So 5 plus 2 root 15 plus 3 by 2. My answer is 8 plus 2 root 15 by 2. 2 common. You getting only 4 plus root 15. That's your answer finally students for this tan x by 2. And here students over your questions over this exercise. Now after that I going to next one. Now students, after complete our exercise I going to miscellaneous examples. Yes students. Other illustrations I explain you after our miscellaneous examples, because this miscellaneous example is contained to our exercise 3 and 3.3. Yes students, after explaining our miscellaneous example all, I start our 3.4 exercise and remaining examples. So you don't worry about it. Every numerical and every illustrations I explain you. Now question number 25, sin x given, cos y given, both are in second quadrant. Find out value sin x plus y. Students, you know this formula? Before start this numerical, you first clear what is the formula. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and this formula utilize derived by this value. Yes, both are in second quadrant. It means you are here. All STC. Here sin x positive, sin y positive, cosec x positive and cosec y positive. But I want only sin and cos. Now for sin x we have to 3 by 5. We know that. What do you know? Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. And that value students I just apply in this part. So you getting only cos x value 3 by 5 square cos square x. So what is cos square x? 1 minus 9 by 25, which is 16 by 25. So cos x is a second quadrant. Cos x is a negative 4 by 5 because x lies in second quadrant. That's our answer. Similarly, I utilize cos y and derive sin y putting here. So for cos y minus 12 by 13, we know that what you know, sin square y plus cos square y is equal to 1. So sin square y same, here minus 12 by 13, and that's the fine. Sin square y 144 by 169, and finally students 1 minus 144 by 169. How many? Subtraction. Sin square y, yes, 169 minus 144 by 169, which is 25 by 169. So what you get? Sin square y 25 by, yeah, 169. 169 minus 144, 25, and 169 same. So it is your value ready. Sin y. Check. You are in second quadrant. Y angle, sin is positive, cos is negative, already given. It is 5 by 13. Therefore, finally, value of, students, this value of final target, sin x plus y, which is known formula, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now value putting sin x, here your sin x 3 by 5, cos y minus 12 by 13, cos x, where is cos x? This one cos x minus 4 by 5, and sin y, where is sin y? 5 by 13. So 13 5s are 65, here 12 3s are 36, and 20 minus 56 by how many? Minus 56, because 36 and 20 we will get 56 minus, and here by 65 is your final answer to this example 25. Now students, 26 examples. This also IMP for exam level. Prove that. Example 26. Prove that our target cos 2x, cos x by 2 minus cos 3x, cos 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x, sin 5x by 2. Students, it's also very easy sum. I just revise one more time our legal formula. You know already, s plus s, s minus s, c plus c, c minus c, 2sc, 2cs, 2cc, and minus 2ss. Students, this formula very easy. C minus c minus 2ss, sorry, c minus c minus 2ss. This I apply to here, 2 multiplying, dividing, and start my LHS. 2 dividing, 2 multiplying. Because I utilize this formula, minus here also 2. Now half same. Students, here revise 2cc. 2cc what? C plus c. Reverse formula utilize. So cos plus cos. Not angle dividing by 2, because you reverse utilize. So only you adding the both angle and subtract the both angle, minus. Now 2cc again, c minus c, that way. Again 3x plus 9x by 2 and 3x minus 9x by 2. Students, here very easy solution. Check. Half same. Cos 4 and 1 5. 4 minus 1 3. And here cos. And here minus minus plus cos. 3 to the 6. 6 and 9 15 x by 2. Again repeat, 9 plus 6 15, and here 6 minus 9 minus 3x by 2. But students, this you know, it is even function. You know even function, cos of negative inside, it is positive outside. This is only and only cos x property. So half cos pi x by 2, continue, plus cos 3x by 2 minus 15x by 2, and this minus, but already it is plus, so cos 3x by 2. Now students, you check, this and that cancel. I think my mistakes here, 2cc minus 2ss, and here also 2ss, 2cc c plus c. Students, here 2c plus c, it means here already minus, and that's why this minus. My mistake is clear. 2cc, it means c plus c, and this minus and plus is minus, and this minus and this minus already plus, cancel there. You have to only half cos pi x by 2 and minus cos 15x by 2. Now students, one more time, c minus c. What is c minus c? Minus 2ss operating, and they get easily answer at the end of this parts. So further solutions are same application to this formula. So half same. And students, here c minus c, minus 2 sine, but look at that, you take left to right side formula, it means dividing by 2, and one time adding 5x by 2, 15x by 2, and here 5x by 2 minus 15x by 2. So these two and these two cancel. Only I have minus 1 sine 15 and 5 20 by 2 2s are 4, same 5 minus 15 minus 10 by 4. Now you getting only sine 5x and here minus 5x by 2. But students, this is again you sine function, odd function. Odd function means what? Sine of minus x is equal to minus carry outside, and this minus totally plus. So my answer is sine 5x into sine 5x by 2. That's my RHS. Check here students, your RHS is coming that? Yes. And one more time I repeat my mistakes, 2cc c plus c, already I written here minus, that's why my mistakes. Now this expansion and calculations between your even and odd, and happily students, here this numerical is also question number 26 finished here. Yes students, further explanations for this part I explain in the next part. Okay, thank you, bye bye.